Did you know a small black seed can be a game changer for your health? Let's explore the amazing benefits of Nigella Sativa, also known as Habba Sauda, which means black seed in Arabic. It's often called the remedy for everything but death. Its unique properties are now supported by modern science. First, it boosts immunity. Research shows it enhances lymphocyte activity, helping fight infections. Second, it provides powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Studies indicate it's effective against conditions like arthritis. Third, it supports heart health. It's known to reduce LDL cholesterol levels significantly. Fourth, it acts as a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Fifth, it aids digestion. Black seed has been traditionally used to relieve ulcers and promote gut health. Sixth, it helps with blood sugar control. Promising studies suggest it can improve diabetes management. Seventh, it benefits skin and hair health. It can treat eczema and promote hair growth. Now, how can you incorporate Nigella Sativa into your routine? The recommended forms include oil, seeds, and capsules. For oil, take about 1 teaspoon per day. For seeds, 1 to 2 grams daily is effective. Capsules should be around 500 milligrams per day. Pro tip: mix black seed oil with honey. This blend effectively enhances its cough relief properties. To summarize, Nigella Sativa offers many health benefits. From boosting immunity to improving skin, it's a remarkable seed. Ready to experience the magic of black seed oil? This tiny seed may transform your health. Join our community for more science-backed health tips. Nigella Sativa, or black seed, has captured the attention of health enthusiasts worldwide due to its extensive range of benefits. Moreover, rich in essential nutrients, black seed is increasingly being recognized as a must-include in daily nutrition. Packed with thymoquinone, which contributes to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, it stands out among natural remedies. Incorporating it into your diet can be as simple as adding the seeds to smoothies or salads, where they provide both flavor and texture. Embrace the potential of this miraculous seed and let it play a key role in your wellness journey. You might also enjoy a soothing herbal tea by steeping black seeds in hot water, which can enhance your overall digestive health. For those who prefer convenience, capsules or oil forms offer easy alternatives to reap its various benefits without altering your meal plans. Keep in mind to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you're currently on medication or have existing health concerns. Explore various recipes and products featuring this incredible seed, from dressings to baked goods, enhancing both flavor and health benefits. Beyond just nutrition, the experience of connecting with nature's remedies offers a fulfilling journey towards better health. This helps foster greater awareness and appreciation for what you consume daily. Take the time to learn about sourcing high-quality Nigella Sativa products to ensure you are getting the best for your well-being. As you venture into this health journey, keep in mind that consistency is essential for optimal results. Embrace the journey, knowing you're not alone. The content in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance regarding your health. Do not disregard or delay seeking medical advice based on anything presented here. If this helped you, smash that like button, drop a comment with Nigella, subscribe with the E, and share this life-changing remedy with someone.